Hi students, this is Amuda, Assistant Professor, Department of Robotics and Automation. Today I am going to take one topic from the subject of Embedded System and Programming. So first, before we go into the topic, we have to know about what is Embedded System and Programming. First, what is Embedded System? Embedded System is a mini computer. It combines maybe a microprocessor or microcontroller and sensors and actuators. So actually this is designed for particular task, right? And also it combines the hardware and software. For the software we are using the programming. So from this subject we are going to discuss about one topic is microprocessor. This covers in unit 1, right? So first we have to see the microprocessor, then we continue this unit, microcontroller, RISC and the types of microcontroller and all the things, right? So microprocessor. So in this session we are going to discuss about definition, evaluation of microprocessor, block diagram and the application, right? So next slide, the definition. So what is microprocessor? Microprocessor is a mini computer. We can say it's a mini computer. Without microprocessor, there is no mobile phone, there is no laptops and all. So it's a process of microprocessor is fetching the instruction, that is getting instruction or some information from the memory, and the information will be decoded, then that execute, then we will give it to the output, right? So then we get the results. So this is the definition of the microprocessor and evaluation of my microprocessor. So the Intel is invented the microprocessor, right? So there is the 5 generations. The first generation is the 4-bit microprocessor, and the second is a 8-bit, third one is a 16-bit, fourth one is a 32-bit, and fifth one is a 64-bit microprocessor. We are in 64-bit microprocessor, right? In first generation, the Intel is named as 4-bit microprocessor as 4008. And the second is 8085, that is 8-bit microprocessor, and third is 16-bit microprocessor as 8086, right? The fourth one is a 32-bit microprocessor. So the Intel call it as a 80486. Then the fifth one is a very 64-bit microprocessor. Actually we are using now in our mobile phone, that is a Pentium processor. We call it as i3, i5, i7 like, okay. I will give the explanation in another slide, so you can use of this. Next one is a block diagram of microprocessor. This is the basic block diagram of microprocessor. Actually it consists of input device, output device, next one is a memory unit. These are all as a external device, peripheral device. We can say is a external device is a peripheral device, right? What is in the microprocessor? In the microprocessor it have ALU, control unit and register array, right? What is meant by ALU? ALU means arithmetic logical unit, right? All the logical functions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, these mathematical operations are done by ALU as our CPU, right? Next one is a control unit. If I send one information to the input device to output device, then it will stored in a memory unit and also it controlled by the control unit, right? So, okay, ALU is there, control unit is there, then why is the register array? What is the register array? Register array is nothing but it's also a memory device, it's a bit storage device, right? It consists of registers like you can call general, there is a lot of registers out there, general purpose register, the shift register likewise. So A, B, C, D, we can call it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like. So A here A is a accumulator. Another are maybe it may be 8-bit registers or 16-bit registers, right? So this is the block diagram of a microprocessor. It consists of an input device and output device and microprocessors. and memory unit. Memory unit consists of a RAM, ROM, all the things, and the register consists of a bit storage device, and a control unit. It controls the overall microprocessor and also a peripheral devices, right? The ALU is for arithmetical operations, right? So this is the basic block diagram of microprocessor. We also study about the microcontroller, but in this unit, the microprocessor, we only need the block diagram is enough. For the microcontroller, we go for a architecture, right? Next, I will give you the explanation in this slide for a block diagram. And next one is a features of microprocessor. It's a very much important, the features of microprocessor. By using this only, we select the microprocessor or microcontroller, right? Features of microprocessor. There is a low in cost. Why we say it's a low cost, right? So it uses the integrated circuit, right? So it's reducing your overall cost. By using the integrating circuit, it uses low cost, right? So that's why we are saying as low in cost. Next one is here, generates less heat, because semiconductor emit less heat when compared to the vacuum tube. So it generates the less heat. Another one is high speed. Third one is high speed. It uses the advanced technology. That is, it executing 1 million of instructions in every second. So it's a high speed device. Next one is consumes low power, because it uses the MOS technology, that is metal oxide semiconductor technology. So by using this technology, it consumes the low power. The microprocessor consumes the low power. Next one is here, portable. Why is portable? Because it's small size and also it takes a less power. So we can call it as a portable, right? Next one is here, small in size. Yes, already I told you it's small in size because of we are using a MOS technology, right? So next one is a versatile one, because it's usable for several applications. So we can say it is a versatile. Next one is a reliable. So here it have the low failure rate and it also very efficient. So that's why we call it as a reliable. So these are the features of microprocessor. So for this explanation, I give you in the next slide. Next we go for applications. So what are the applications and where the microprocessor used? Like first one is a computers and laptops. Already I told. Yes. Without microprocessor, there is no PC, there is no laptops, and also our mobile phone, right? So mobile phone, tablet. So these are all uses the microprocessor, right? So next one is the embedded system. Embedded system means it is designed for a particular application, right? So there definitely the microprocessor will be there on that. Next one is the industrial automation and control. In industrial automation, for example, for controlling the machinery, so process the control. For this, the microprocessor used in industrial automation, right? Next one is the medical equipment. For example, ECG, CT scanner, and insulin pumps, and patient monitor. These machines have the microprocessor, so which is used in medical equipment, right? Next one is the automobile control system. Automobile control system, the microprocessor used in automobile. In our car, there is a airbag, right? So in that, the microprocessor used to control, right? Not only airbag, it is engine control, GPS, and all the things the microprocessor used. Next one is the home appliances. For home appliances, we can use in a washing machine, and also nowadays our fan also uses the microprocessor, right? So these are the applications of microprocessor. So today in this session we discussed about the definition, evaluation, features, block diagram and its applications. This is the basics of microprocessor, right? I hope you understand this microprocessor topic, and thank you so much. For more lecture videos, you can follow our channels. Visit now our smit.edu.in, our website, and the SMIT Chennai is a Facebook ID, and the Instagram SMIT official Chennai. So you can, for more lecture videos, you can follow our pages, and if you have any doubts or any questions, drop your comments below. Thank you.